Hey guys, in today's video I want to share with you these cute acrylic ledges that I picked up from Five Below. They were $5 each, and you know my channel is about budget friendly content, so this is a budget friendly way to update a space in your home. So I just wanted to share this little find with you. If you're interested, keep watching. So this is the present state of my bathroom right now. I just did a little makeover, but this picture is cute, but it's kind of bland. I wanted something different. So when I saw those ledges, acrylic ledges at Five Below, I instantly thought of this space right here. So I'm gonna put them right here, and I'll be back. So this is final reveal. I placed two of them above my toilet area. I did not place them directly above each other. I did them, you know, kind of away from each other so I can hang these two pictures. That picture on the top, I picked it up from Family Dollar for $7. And the picture on the bottom, I already had that one. It came from the Dollar Tree. And those little succulents came from the Dollar Tree. I just shopped my home. So I only spent $7 for the picture and $10 for the ledges. So I updated this space for under $20. So you notice what my channel is about, budget friendly content like this. So I just wanted to share with you guys. Those ledges will be cute in a beauty room. I really like them. So this is Mrs Vee. I'm gonna continue to show you love, and I'm always help you save on some of the things you need so you can get some of the things you want. Thank you and have a nice day.